Hi, it's Damien Cooley, Director and Auctioneer at Cooley Auctions, and welcome to our February auction market wrap. Today I have with me Lachlan McDonald.
And Damien, what an exciting start to the year it's been. Certainly a great time to be an auctioneer. We had some 327 properties go to auction in the month of February. I think what's most astounding is we achieved an 82% clearance rate.
Yeah, very strong market of what we're seeing. And you touched on a really important point there. It is an exciting time to be an auctioneer. In fact, we sold almost $175 million worth of real estate at auction last month. So some great sales all round. Lachlan, two statistics that I'd love to feature out of the Cooley Index this month is the amount of properties that actually sold above their reserve and also the amount of properties that sold prior to auction. What you see in a strong market is lots of properties selling prior. 38% of the properties that were booked to go to auction with us in February sold before the auction date. And an incredible almost 80% of the properties that sold at auction actually sold at or above their written reserve price. That really is showing us the strength in the Sydney market at the moment. Lachlan, the Inner West market has been on fire over the course of the last 12 months, but we're continuing to see some more strong sales in February this year. Tell us about the great sale you had in Leichhardt.
We had a really great sale, Damien, in 18 Walter Street in Leichhardt. That was for Cobden and Hayson. We had a reserve on the day of $1,150,000. We had 7 registered parties and a wonderful auction and sold for $1,240,000.
A great sale, some $90,000 above the written reserve price. We also had a strong sale in Kensington last weekend. This was a property at 268 Doncaster Avenue, Kensington, marketed on behalf of the team at NG Farrer Real Estate. A reserve was set at $1,600,000 and with 27 registered bidders, it sold for an astounding $2,170,000. What a result.
Damien, the North Shore market's continuing to go from strength to strength as well. We had an exceptional result at 3 Arana Road in Mona Vale, marketed by LJ Hooker in Narrabeen. Reserve was set on the day at $1.5 million, but with 13 registered parties, it ended up selling for $1,770,000. A great result.
We hope to see you at one of our free real estate training events in either March or April. So please make sure you log on to cooleyauctions.com.au and check out what's coming up. Don't forget to save the date for the Cooley Golf Classic. It's on Friday the 15th of May as we raise money for youth off the streets. Thanks for joining us for our February auction market wrap. And if there are any auctions coming up, we'd be thrilled if you thought of us.